Hi friends, I'm Lacey of Peacehouse Art and I want to thank you so much for joining me. This is a very special video because I have some really amazing announcements to make. As many of you who have been following my journey may know, I've been making all of my art out of my spare bedroom at home the last 2+ years, which has really limited my creativity since it's just not enough space. I'm so excited to share that last week I opened my own art studio. It's located at 6030 St. Andrews Road, Suite J in Columbia, South Carolina. Hours are by appointment only for now, but eventually I'll have a regular store hours and I will sell my paintings, jewelry, home decor, gifts, and more. I can't wait to give you a tour of this beautiful space after I finish setting it up. I would never have made it this far without the support of my family, friends, other artists, and patrons, who will all be given a shout out at the end of each video I make from now on. So, if you're in one of those lucky groups of beautiful people, just know I love you so much and I'm so grateful for you. My new studio gives me so much more room to create bigger and more complex art. Even better, I'm going to be offering in-house classes. Starting very soon, registration for different levels of classes, ranging from basic beginner to advanced acrylic and resin art classes, will be available on my website, peacehouseart.org. Make sure to follow me on social media so that you can check the schedule often if you're interested. If you're not local, I've also revamped my Patreon and will be having monthly live videos and regular, expanded, in-depth lessons that complement my shorter YouTube videos. Lastly, it's giveaway time. I'm so in love with these blooming mandala discs I've been working on, so I've decided to give 2 of them away, one on Facebook and one on Instagram. I'll be posting on each page the specific item for giveaway very soon, and all you have to do is make sure to follow my page, like and share the post, and tag a friend. The more friends you tag, the higher your chance of winning. Shipping is free for residents of the USA and Canada, and international winners will be responsible for shipping, but it shouldn't be too much since these little babies are very sturdy and can be sent in bubble mailers. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoy my videos and stick around for more because it's only going to get better from here. My goal with Peacehouse Art is to heal the world one piece of art at a time. Bye!